Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. This side your science teacher, Miss Charu, and I am going to explain you a new chapter, which is chapter number 12, Force, Work, and Energy. As the name suggests, our question is, what is force? Force क्या है? In your daily life, you have seen that when you kick a ball while playing, it moves. This means that what you have done, you have applied force on that object. So, in scientifically, what is the definition of force? Force is defined as a push or a pull. Force क्या होता है? When you push an object and when you pull an object, then it is said to be you have applied a force. जब आप किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को पुश करेंगे एंड जब आप उसको पुल करेंगे अपनी तरफ, तो हम कहेंगे कि हमने फोर्स अप्लाई करी है. इज़ दैट क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वी हैव व्हाट आर द इफ़ेक्ट्स ऑफ द फोर्स. फोर्स के क्या क्या इफ़ेक्ट्स होते हैं? फर्स्ट इफेक्ट इज इट कैन मूव अ स्टेशनरी ऑब्जेक्ट. यानी कि व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट रेस्ट, व्हेन यू अप्लाई फोर्स ऑन टू इट, इट मे मूव. जब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट रेस्ट पे है यानी कि इट इज़ नॉट मूविंग एंड देन यू अप्लाई अ फोर्स ऑन इट, इट विल स्टार्ट मूविंग. ओके. फोर्स कैन ऑल्सो चेंज द स्पीड ऑफ द मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट. अगर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट मूविंग पोजिशन पर है एंड यू हैव अप्लाइड फोर्स ऑन दैट, देन इट विल इंक्रीज द स्पीड ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. यू कैन टेक द एग्जाम्पल when a ball is rolling in the air and you have applied more force by your bat, then it will increase the speed of the object. यानी कि it will increase the speed of the ball. Force can also change the direction of an object. When you are pushing a table, means you are applying a force on a table, it will move it to front direction. Okay. Next, force can also change the shape and size of the object. You can take the example here. When you pull an elastic rubber, what will happen? When you apply force onto it, the shape of the elastic rubber will change. Okay. Now we will discuss types of force. Mainly there are 4 types of force in your book. First is force of gravity. Force of gravity always pulls every object towards the earth. Okay. When a ball is when we do a free fall with the ball, it will go to the ground, it will go towards the earth. Okay. You have also seen in your daily life that when a fruit is move away from the tree, it will go down, it will not go upward. Next is mechanical force. Mechanical force directly act on the object. Means when you are applying force on the table, what happen? It will directly act on the table. Okay. Next is force of friction. Force of friction is a force which always act opposite to the actual force. Means आपने actual force लगाई, किसी भी object पर आपने force लगाई, वहाँ से एक अपोजिट फोर्स अप्लाई होगी विच इज़ फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. You can see in your daily life we required force of friction in vehicles also. When the tire move on the ground, it included force of friction in it. Next is muscular force. Muscular force is that force that we have applied by our muscles. Okay. Next is work. In daily life you have do lot of work, but in scientific a work is said to be done when you have applied force on an object and the object will move. You have applied force on the ball by your bat, what happens? The ball will moving. It means it is said that you have अप्लाइड द फोर्स, बॉल मूव्स, देन द वर्क इज़ डन. आपने फोर्स लगाई बॉल के ऊपर, देन बॉल मूव कर गई है अपनी पोजीशन से, व्हाट विल हैपन? तो यहाँ पे क्या कहा जाएगा? दैट वर्क इज़ डन, वर्क हो चुका है. देयर इज़ अ साइंटिफिक फॉर्मूला ऑफ वर्क. वर्क डन इज इक्वल्स टू फोर्स इनटू डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय द ऑब्जेक्ट. If we have to calculate work mathematically, we have to multiply the force with the distance which an object covers. Our next topic is simple machines. We require machines in our daily life. Simple machine. For example, you uses a knife in your daily life to cut an fruit, vegetable. Okay, so the things, yeah, tools which are helping in our daily life are said to be simple machines. Okay, so there are some example of simple machines which are lever, wheel and axle, incline plane, pulley, wedge and screw. We will discuss this later. Okay,